Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is the microproject of CND, Computer Networking and Data Communication. The topic of this project is Smart Garage System. This project is done under the guidance of Professor Sachin Tupesar. The aim of this project is to develop the smart garage monitoring. First, we see what is smart garage. This system detects and opens the door and window of the garage whenever the CO2 increases in the garage. We have used a carbon dioxide detector sensor to sense the CO2 level in the garage. As if the carbon dioxide increase in the garage, then sensor detects the level. Then according to the stored condition in controller, the doors and windows automatically open to decrease the level of CO2. In garage, carbon dioxide poisoning is a real problem and could be a killer. Carbon dioxide gas is produced by incomplete consumption, such as what happens in your car's engine, especially when you first start it up in the morning. If you breathe it in, the gas will bond with your red blood cells so tightly that oxygen can't get in. Breathe in a little and you get a headache. Breathe in a bit more and you can't think clearly. Breathe in bit more and you pass out or maybe die. So, in every garage, the smart garage system is necessary because it helps us from CO2 killer. Here is the block diagram of the system. Now, here there is a server, PC, window and door of the garage, switch and CO2 detector. Now, the server is used to connect the components with the web. This PC is used for the controlling of the component. Switch is used to connect all the components with the server. Here, this is the Cisco packet tracer software where we have to design our system. So first we see what we needed the component. First is a server, second is a switch, third PC, fourth CO2 detector, fifth garage door, sixth window, and seventh is car. So this is the components which we need for design our system. Now we will take the component to design our system. So first we take the switch to configure all the component. Now we take a PC. After that we need a server. Now we have to take a detector, carbon dioxide detector. So we add this detector. After that we add a garage door. And at last we need a window. So we take a window. No. So we take all the components which we required. So now we have to do the connections through the wire. So we take an Ethernet cable for the connection. First we will connect server to switch. After that we connect PC to switch. Now we connect window to switch. After that we connect garage door with switch. Now at last we have to connect carbon dioxide detector with switch. Now all of them are connected with the switch. Now after the connection we have to give the IP address. So first we give the IP address to server, which is 1.1.1.1. After that we give the IP address to PC, which is 1.1.1.2. After that we will give the IP address to Windows verification. So we put the names to all this. First we will put the name over here, the CO2 detector. Now we will put the garage door. Now we will put the name of window. We will doing this naming for our clarification only. Now we have to check again. So click on server, on web browser, put the IP address of the server, click on go, put the username and password. Now click on login. Here we can see the name is changes and all are connected with the server. Now we have to write the condition for our system. So for that we have to go on server. We have to follow the same procedure. First web browser, IP address of server, click on go, login. Now here we have to click on condition and now here we have to add. I will write the condition on condition here. Now whenever the CO2 detector level detects more than or equal to 0.5%, then the condition is window will on and condition is true. Same for garage door also. Garage door on and you're true. So this is the condition for on condition. Click on OK. Now we have to add the condition for off condition. The name of the condition is off. Now here, whenever the CO2 detector here level is less than 0.5, then the conditions are window on. Here we have to click on false. Same for garage door also. Garage door on and false. And okay. So the on and off condition are done. Now we have to test these conditions. So click on home button. Now click on the components to check their status. Okay. Now we need a car which will produce a CO2. So we add a car. For producing CO2 we need a car. So here I added the cars. I will turning on this car. Now check the status. The CO2 level is increasing. What is the condition? Whenever this CO2 level increases 0.5%, the door and window will open automatically. I will add one more car. Now we can see the condition. Now here the condition is whenever the CO2 level is crossing 0.5%, the door and window is opening automatically. Here our system is running properly. Our group members are Adit Kumbhar, Nafis Khan, Akash Tejewad, and Harshada Chavan.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.